Or as you can see here, we're here at the volcano Mayon, also known as Mountain Mayon, Volcano Mayon in English. Yes, you can see there's an erupted church right here. It's ruined and scrapped since, thanks to Mr. Volcano right there. Can I zoom in? Sorry, I can't zoom in. Thanks to that volcano being erupted, this guy got distracted and see it's already old and it made history. It's been, I think, after 1724. Oh, never mind. It was burned during the July 25, 1636.
And then he will take also a picture.
Ang init.
Yes, you just take a.
So sorry.
Okay, take a picture.
I also have some friends. I deserve to be.
You have this already?
We're good. As you can see, there's a little church over here. Church of Godzilla. Spiritual administration of Kazakhstan from 1587 to 1595. What sort of comparison? We're here, as you can see. We're back. We're gonna make one whole round of this huge volcano right here. But no, it's not a volcano, it's a church. An opposite church. See how old it is. It's pretty damn good. See, these are the pebbles or the rocks that were used to build the church before, thanks to the volcanic eruption back in 1586, I suppose. I guess this is the results of that eruption. So we say rest in peace to all those souls that were lost here.